Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to update your GitHub pages. And basically make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. In the GitHub pages, everything would be updated automatically, but there will be some uh, delays. And as you can see here in this community response or question in the GitHub community, you can see that the GitHub page is not being updated after changes are made. And basically, the response is that the changes to a GitHub page do not appear as they are made. That means there is not some instant deployment, and you will be needing to wait for a while. And basically, you will be needing just to start flushing your website cache. So as you can see, because GitHub uses a CDN caching for page, and there will be a small delay for the changes to be reflected. And you can overcome this by clearing your site cache. So you can go to your web page or to your web cache, and basically it will be something similar to that. You can click to inspect, go application, and from here you can clear the site data and make sure the cache storage is added, and basically you will have your problem that will be solved. Or you can simply start redeploying your own GitHub page. So basically here you will have this name branch, and basically this branch here you can start choosing between none and save, and then add main to it again, and basically you will have your page that will be deployed. So basically by using this you can have just these tricks, so you can uh, have a quick changes to your GitHub pages. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.